Welcome back to Funky Fishing, guys. All right, we're out here again real early. This time it's 4 something, and I'm getting reports of the blues are around. A couple days ago, a buddy of mine caught one on a popper right at sunset, so maybe they'll be around at sunrise. We'll see if the birds are still around, giving away the stripers and possibly blues now. But yeah, May is for monsters, and I intend to get one. So I'll catch you guys when I get one. See you soon. We've been out here for like a half hour playing with these little guys. Finally got one up. Beautiful. Yep, we're using the dark one at night. Well, it was night when we started, and I guess these are the little guys that's been playing with us. Look, his tail got bit by something. Well, let's send him back. Whew. Always nice to get the skunk off. I was casting here for a while. Just got to keep at it. See if we can find a bigger one. So what I'm doing now is switching out to white, because we've already got basically daylight, and white tends to do better in the daylight. So let's hook it up. Hey, buddy. Another nice fish, guys. I should not throw them like that. They get splashed everywhere. Yeah, let's keep the fish going. Now I'm going to turn around a bit, and I think I was like, I don't know, 100 feet back with my troll, so I'm going to try to cast there. Maybe I can cast into one of them. Let's see. That's what it's all about, guys. I'm boiling over there a little bit, and I'm gonna see if I can get them on the top water. Here we go. Here we go. Got a fish on in the last second. Oh, on top water, baby. Oh man, what do I got here? Oh, it's a nice striper. Hey, you gotta relax, bud. It's a nice one, guys. Get over here, bud. On the top water, boys. Get it measured. Yeah, you're gonna get a look at him. Woo! See that, guys? Top water. Oh, biggest of the day. You love to see the biggest on top water. It's a 27, guys. Beauty. Let's get her back on the top water. That's what you love to see. All right, guys, we gotta go to work. But Alul just got out here. He's in a way, he's changing. It's the changing of guard. He's now gonna go get the fish. We're doing a little swap. He's got his motor going.
See you later, Dave.
Good luck. Go get him. Yeah, I will. Go get him. We had a pretty successful day out on the water. In the morning it was hot, and it kind of like calmed down for a bit. But the main takeaway of today was that top water striper. Man, and it was a nice big one, 27 inches. Almost a keeper. But it really pounced on it the last second. It was right at the boat. It's a beautiful thing to see. So yeah, until next time, guys, stay groovy.